Okay, so I know that took a minute or two, I don't know. But so say you've lost the key to the filing cabinet, whether it's a filing cabinet in the house or in the office. Just about all filing cabinets I can think of all use wafer style locks, which can be manipulated quite easily. Uh, that little tool was fashioned out of the paperclip at the beginning of the video. If you're in an office, it's going to be quite difficult to get your hands on something like a pair of pliers, I would imagine, to bend that and such. The profile in which you can do it is like this either way. Uh, that would work as well. But you can also make your tensioner, this little doodad that I was tensioning the top of the lock with. You have to have two tools to pick a lock. You have to have a tension tool, which is, this is improvised, of course. Uh, this is a commercial available one. And then this is a real, it's called a snake rake for obvious reasons. You know, kind of looks like a snake slithering. Anyhow, so what you'll do is you definitely want to use the strong paper clips if you can find them in the office, and just basically get that bend in there like that. You want a high a higher bend or higher peak at the first, mid in the center, and then a little bit lower than that first bend that you put in it. I myself like to wrap these around something so that I can manipulate them with my finger. It gives me a little bit more downward or upward pressure. The techniques to raking these style of locks are up and down as you go back and forth, or in a like come here motion, sort of a circular. And then another technique is reciprocating, which would be just back and forth. And then there's also jiggling, which is, straight up and down. Anyhow, you may have to use all of those techniques before the lock all the wafers in the lock get set and you're able to turn the core and get the filing cabinet open.